In front of me is OPPO Reno8 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Start by locating and opening Clock app that's already on your device. Now hit Alarm at the bottom left corner, and to create a new one, tap on plus icon at the bottom in the middle. Now you can finally adjust it however you want to. At the top, set up an hour. Then pick one of those repeat options. Ring once, work. Pro tip, you can adjust each day however you want to and save your changes by tapping OK in each pop-up. And my favorite, custom. Here you can pick days of the week manually by tapping on them. Now click on alarm name to name it if you want, and hit ringtone. Over here you can pick one of those default options or one of those system ones. My personal favorite is weather though. If you want to set it up, tap on it and click on weather here. This feature is actually called Weather Adaptive, and thanks to it, your alarm ringtone will change each day based on the weather. Sunny, cloudy, stormy, snowy, and I think one more. Rainy, stormy, and windy, so even more than one. You can also hit on this device and tap on any song from your smartphone to set it up instead. Go back, click on this switcher next to vibrate to switch it off or on, and tap on snooze. Now you can turn it on or off thanks to this switcher, and also adjust it by picking how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. When you finished, go back. Now to save your new alarm, hit done at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To switch it on or off, use this switcher next to it and tap on whatever you want to in the pop-up. To edit it, click on it, make some changes and tap on Done at the top right corner. If you want to get rid of it, hold it and tap on Delete at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!